Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your ASUS Zenfone 7, and at first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go right here for the security and the lock screen, click on the face recognition, input your currently locked method, read the description, and then after a few seconds we can click right here. And we have to keep our face right here, and the setup is complete. So right now we can easily turn it off. And let's check how it looks, how it works, I mean. So click here, then simply swipe. Okay, I think we have some kind of a problem. Let's enter the settings one more time, and I think that I didn't turn on unlock for the face recognition, so let's enter. Okay, we have to select this this function, this feature, then close this menu and lock the device, unlock. Let's swipe to use the face unlock, and as you can see, that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.